Alex stared at the blinking cursor on his laptop screen, the unfinished essay looming like a dark cloud. Deadlines loomed, and the mountain of tasks felt insurmountable. His room, a chaotic landscape of half-finished projects and discarded notes, mirrored the turmoil in his mind. Distractions were everywhere. A buzzing phone, a captivating YouTube video, the allure of a perfectly brewed cup of coffee. Each beckoned him away from the urgent task at hand. He was a master procrastinator, a champion of delaying the inevitable. He knew he needed to change. That night, he stumbled upon a productivity video showcasing simple yet effective techniques. Time blocking, the 2-minute rule, and the power of eliminating distractions were highlighted. The 2-minute rule resonated. If a task took less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. He started small. He cleared his desk. A small victory that sparked a sense of accomplishment. Next, he implemented time blocking. He allocated specific time slots for his essay, his other assignments, and even breaks. This structured approach helped him focus without feeling overwhelmed. He turned off his phone notifications and moved to a quiet corner of his house, creating a distraction-free zone. Slowly but surely, he chipped away at his essay. The words flowed more easily, the sentences forming coherent paragraphs. He surprised himself with his progress. The once daunting task now felt manageable, even enjoyable. As he finished the essay, a wave of satisfaction washed over him. He felt a sense of control he hadn't experienced before. The once chaotic room was now organized, reflecting the newfound order in his mind. Alex's transformation was more than just completing an essay. It was about conquering procrastination, reclaiming his time, and discovering a new sense of self-efficacy. He realized that overcoming procrastination wasn't about superhuman willpower, but about adopting practical strategies and creating a supportive environment. The video ended with an inspiring message. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and watch yourself transform. Alex smiled, a newfound confidence shining in his eyes. He had conquered his procrastination, and he knew he could conquer anything